Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is K Mirembe, and if it's your very first time, you're most welcome. You're watching Atutaka Solutions, where we share everything with love regardless of who you are and where you're from. Today I'm going to share how we can send money abroad using your mobile phone, that is by using an app. It's very easy and very effective. Above all, it's so free. Please, if it's your very first time, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification so you'll be informed whenever a new video comes up. Alright, so you start by installing the app, that is the PAYSEND app. I already installed it right here, and I'm just going to show you how you make the transactions using different means, or every country has different ways. So here I'm just signing in, and for security purposes, if you've downloaded the app, if you've installed the app, they'll ask you for a passcode that you'll be using each time you want to visit that app. All right, it's just for security reasons. Okay, and if you've done that, you wait until yes. So this is the home menu. As you can see, it is there is the option for request and that of sending, so you can transfer money and stuff like that. So request money from, if you want to request money from, but that's not the aim of this video. Today's video, I'm just going to show you how you can send, or how you can transfer. All right, so you can transfer for only 1.50 euros or request for free simply by a mobile number. All right, as you can see that we deliver money to your recipient's destination. All right, so select the recipient's country. That's if you are maybe in a different country and you want to send to a different another country. Okay, so I'm just going to use Uganda for now first, and I'll be showing you other countries maybe to see other options. Okay, so as you can see, there's so many countries that you can send money to: Finland, France, Gambia, Hungary, Iceland, Jamaica, Kenya, Kuwait. Oh my goodness, so many countries from letter A to Z. Okay, as you can see, Mozambique, Nepal, Namibia, Norway, Portugal, Romania. Oh my god, so many countries. And this app is so fast, it's so effective, and it's so secure. So there's also UAE, Ukraine, Vietnam, and Zambia. So you want to make sure that the country you want to send money is listed up here. Okay, so I'm just using Uganda for illustration purposes. Okay, so you can see that there is that option for sending to bank account, and there is a limit for 20 million shilling, Ugandan shillings. All right, depending on the country that you're sending the money to, you use that you use the currency that they use in that country. Okay, so if you want to transfer to the bank or to the card or to digital wallet, okay, you just choose which option that suits you or that is easier for you at that particular time. Yes, so here I'm just selecting for sending to Uganda, and they'll show you the rates. Okay, so you literally see that, for example, I'm in the UAE. If I'm sending money to Uganda, they'll show me that if I'm sending 500 Arab Emirate dirhams, they're going to receive 469,000 shillings 500. Okay, so it is so easy that it will even show you the current exchange rate. Okay, so you need to put in the relationship to the recipient, that is family, up to you guys. So purpose of transfer, probably tuition fees or transfer to own account. There's also that other option, there's billing, bills, or whatever. You can choose to say other. Okay, it's not a must. So you select the bank. They'll show you the banks that are available in that particular country where you want to send the money to, or where you want to transfer the funds. All right, so there is Bank of Africa, there is Barclays Bank, there is Citibank, there is Ecobank, Fine Bank, Finance Trust. Wow, so many. Standard Chartered, Tropical, United Bank of whatever. So Equity, I'm just going to use for illustration purposes, let me just use the Centenary Rural Development Bank. Okay, so you want to put in the account number for that person that you're going to send the money to. You want to make sure it's a valid, a valid account number. All right, so you put in the account number. I'm just using any number here for the sake of this video. Yes, and you want to put the name, the correct names that appear on the account holders, you know, details, or the ID. Basically, they're usually the same. So, do you know and trust? To protect your money, make sure you are sending to those you know and trust. All right, if you're not sure the person you're sending to, you go back and edit. Then if you're sure, you just say click continue, and they're going to show you right back the next step. So as you can see, the rate is at 939 shillings for each 1 dirham. Okay, yes, it's really fast. Okay, I'm just showing you if you want to go back and edit. So assuming I want to send 1,000 Arab Emirate dirhams, so they'll show you that they're going to receive 938,000 shillings, and trust me, there are no extra charges. Okay, add your card issued. So if you are in maybe UK or you're in the US, you want to use your bank, your card for the bank that you issued in that country where you are. To be able to send to another country, you need to use the card issued in the country where you are currently, if it makes sense. Okay, so you just put in the card number, expiry date, and the CVV. All right, so it should be a Visa or a MasterCard. It's so fast, you guys. So I'm just going to go back and show you here. If you want to send to the digital wallet, for example, in Uganda we have mobile money, we have AfriCell, we have MTN, we have Airtel Uganda. So you just put in the wallet number, the person, the receiver. Okay, so it's so easy. And then if you want to maybe change the country, or maybe you want to send yourself and maybe you're in the UAE, so you go and choose still the country, that is UAE, to bank account, you list a number. Or you want to send to a person that is actually with you in that same country, yes, you choose that country. If you're in the UAE, you choose UAE. All right, what deliver? Request delivery option. Okay, this is like a suggestion. If you want to list any other suggested delivery option, you could give in your ideas and opinions, so maybe they would consider it next time in the updating. Okay, so I think it depends. It varies from country to country. There are some countries I checked, there is no option for sending to the mobile number directly. Some it's strict to bank account or card. Okay, the bank card. There is this Bank of Sharjah. I'm just seeing the banks that are in the UAE. There is BNP Paribas. Oh my goodness, there's so many banks here. There is Doha, there is Dubai Central Bank, there is MCB Bank Limited, National Bank of Fujairah. Yes, there's the United Arab Bank, United Bank Limited. So you want to make sure you know the number, the bank name for the person that you want to send the money to. Yes, there is the Abu Dhabi Commercial Bank, there is Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank, and so many others. So you want to make sure you know the IBAN, that special number that identifies the bank account with the international banks. Okay, if it makes sense. So you request it from the bank, from the person you're going to send the money. They should be able to give you all those details. And if you're the one going to give those details, you just go to your bank and ask them your IBAN. Sometimes it's written on your bills or on your card or something like that. Yes, so it's then here you can, if you want to use the card, as you can see, you have to put in the correct names, guys. Okay, the name appears on the card. That's how you put it. Yeah, please remember to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't subscribed. Please, guys, I don't know what you're waiting for, because I really promise so much on this channel. I'm going to give you so many videos that you really like. Yes, finance, business, education, DIYs. All right, I promise you guys I'm still keeping my word, so please, you don't want to miss out. Just click the subscribe button down below and click the bell notification so you won't miss any videos from me. Okay, so add recipient's bank account in UK. So here I was just trying out to see the options that are available in different countries. So for example, here I chose the UK. Okay, so you choose the bank or the card. I mean the bank to transfer the bank account or to the bank card. It must be a Visa card or a MasterCard. Okay, I love this app. It's so fast. You can do it at your comfort zone at any time, anywhere. Okay, so I tried Sweden, and yeah, they also have to the card and to the bank. They don't have the mobile wallet option, so yeah, it's so cool. And as you can see, I love trying out stuff, and this is how I found out this PaySend application. I hadn't tried it out because I was like, PaySend. I used to see adverts everywhere. I'm like, PaySend, what's up with this PaySend? So I decided to check it out, and yeah, trust me, you will love it. If you give it a try, you want to send money abroad, you want to send your family, you want to share transfer funds, within the country, paying bills, you want to pay utility bills, you want to maybe cash your wallet, okay, your other wallet, for maybe buying crypto or Bitcoin or whatever. It's very, very easy and very effective, and it is safe above all. Yes, so you just click on the country where you are and you're there. Thank you so much for watching, guys, up to the end of this video. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Until next time, bye bye.